I suppose the thought is that numbers in themselves, like one doesn't cause anything to happen, right? Two doesn't cause anything to happen. Um, the fact that certain dynamics describable in terms of numbers are deployed in space-time, we would usually assign the causal power to the dynamic, not to the structural regularities that constitute numbers. Like, it's hard to see how the number 5, for instance, causes anything that we can observe and kind of describe scientifically.
I mean, I think the monikers of the whole numbers are maybe talking about there's different ways to interpret the number 5. And so say something's spinning around a circle and you have to define something by which to measure its angular velocity. And say the measure that you're using, it seems to appear that there's 5 spots on the boundary of the circle that it hits before it repeats the pattern. That can be a number 5. And so I think that if it's this oversimplification of what a number is and what it's defined as, it's not really ontological to us and how we interpret numbers themselves. Numbers, I guess our approach is they're mathematics in motion. You set a metric in terms of how you're measuring them, and then you come up with these numbers that make sense in terms of how, what reality is predicated upon.